Hi there, what's up? In this video, it will give you a quick guide on how you can find good Discord servers without a link. The first thing that you will have to do is make sure that your version or your Discord actually supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So, after opening your Discord, what you will have to do is you will click Explore Public Servers icon on the left sidebar or discover, so it really depends on the terminology that your layout has. So what you will have to do is simply just click it, and now that you're here, what you will have to do is you can browse the list, by the way, and then you can just, for example, I would want to join the server, so what I will just have to do is click it, and now I'm in the server, as you can see. And of course, if you would want to completely join it, you will just have to click join. So, for example, this, and now I'm in the server, and that's just it. As you can see, I managed to join the server without an invite link, and that's basically just it. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I really hope it was helpful. And thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.